I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start a vitamin C packed skincare routine for brighter skin, healthier skin, and most importantly, skin that's protected for anti-aging. Pilgrim's Vitamin C range has three types of vitamin Cs. At 99.9% pure ethyl ascorbic acid, it's got Kakadu Plum all the way from Australia, which is famous for its purity and potency, and it's got lime pearls, which come from the finger lime. The three of them combined can promise you not only anti-aging benefit, but brighter skin with less UV damage, less pigmentation, fading on your skin if you've had sun damage or pigmentation from before. But most importantly, it's got anti-aging benefits because vitamin C does two things very well: protect our skin from UV damage and also helps restore and build our collagen. Pilgrim's Vitamin C Gel Face Wash, while cleansing your skin really thoroughly, also gives you this nice brightened look, as you can see over here. I clean away my eye area with a little bit of tissue just to make sure that all the oil is out, and most importantly, if there's any remaining kajal from the previous night which hasn't come off, is gone completely. Immediately after rinsing it with water, you can see your skin just very bright and woken up for the day. Kakadu Plum does four things very well. One, it reduces UV damage. So if you have a lot of UV damage accumulated in your skin, which happens to all of us, right, from school, college and adulthood, there's always a little bit of UV damage that all of us will have, and it gets more and more as we advance in our years. So it reverses UV damage. Second thing it does very well is that it's a very powerful antioxidant. Antioxidant forms a web on our skin which actually helps it fight pigmentation and UV damage even better. So it's a very good source of antioxidant. The Kakadu Plum from Australia also does one thing very well, which is repair and protect our collagen. And the most important quality it has is that not only does it brighten your skin, but it also balances your skin. So over a period of time, using it for some time, you can see your blemishes getting lighter, your skin becoming more even toned, and also getting healthier. You know, that glowy skin, healthy dewy skin will always have a little bit of glow on it. It also actually reduces redness. So if you're somebody whose skin gets very red post a face wash or using a product, this will make sure that's minimized. Let's quickly have a look on how these ingredients support the vitamin C. We've got panthenol, which is not only repairing for your skin but also soothing. Then we have a whole lot of ingredients which help the hydration of the skin and also help our skin retain the moisture. The best part is it also has a very effective humectant, sodium gluconate. This of course makes it a very well-balanced product. If you've been a part of this channel, you know I'm not a very big proponent of toners. This toner felt very good using it in the summer. In Hyderabad, it's become really warm already. So it added a nice spritz and perk up to my skin. I don't feel toners are essential for your skin, but if you are somebody who uses toner, this is a great toner to use. Not only is it going to brighten your skin, balance your skin, but will also protect your skin from UV damage. So you're getting a cumulative advantage. You're using the face wash, then you're using this toner, which has all the properties of brightening, making your skin healthier, anti-aging benefits, balancing your skin, reducing redness, hydrating your skin, you know, also protecting it from UV damage. The toner you can use two ways. You can either use it on a cotton ball, depending on what you prefer, or you can just spritz it directly on your skin. I prefer to spritz it directly on my skin. I just liked it that way. And then you follow it up with an oil-free moisturizer, making your skincare routine powerful for fading uneven skin tone, for fading blemishes, for making your skin healthier, making it dewy, and most importantly, reversing and protecting the skin from UV damage, while also repairing and protecting the collagen. So this skincare routine does three things very well. First thing, it repairs your skin of all the damage that's happened before you start the skincare routine. The second thing it does very well is it prevents further damage to your skin in the months or the years that you're going to use the skincare range. And thirdly, and most importantly, it also works at anti-aging your skin. So therefore, protecting your skin from UV damage, from age, from free radicals, and the fact that we tend to develop pigmentation very easily. So there is repair, there is prevention, and there's also protection. And so the Pilgrim's Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer promises you not only anti-aging benefits, brightening benefits, balancing your skin benefits, but also making your skin healthier with use. You will also find your skin feeling a little smoother, and that's happening because of the AHA action that comes from the finger lime pearls. So the extract of these finger limes not only brightens your skin and clarifies your complexion, but also because of the AHA smoothens your complexion by giving you very gentle and light exfoliation. Since this is a range, it has a lot of shared or similar ingredients. The moisturizer is very well supported with niacinamide. It's got a lot of hydrating agents which also help our skin hold the moisture for longer. It's got sodium gluconate, panthenol, tocopherol acetate, sodium hyaluronate, glycerin, phenoxyethanol, just loaded, propendiol, and it also has olive oil 7 esters, which will not only give you a lot of moisturization, but this is also a very good antibacterial. So if acne is one of your concerns, this is a great moisturizer to put in your skincare routine. One of the most common complaints I hear on Program Chamak, where I consult you online, is one, that your face is darker than your body, and that your hands, your exposed limbs are darker. So it's a very smart move to include body care that will help your face and hand remain in almost the same tone as your face is. And of course, the skin on your hands and arms requires protection from UV damage also, because that's also getting exposed to the sun as much. So having a body serum lotion, which Pilgrim has released, will give you the same protection as its moisturizer, toner or face wash does. So not only is it going to repair your skin, so you can see that your skin over here will get lighter in the weeks to come, but will also prevent further aging and tanning, because it's packed with Kakadu Plum and lime finger pearls and ethyl ascorbic acid at 99.9% purity. And what does a powerful vitamin C do together? It forms a vitamin bomb, which brightens your skin, adds a dewy finish to it, and also protects us from UV damage. The ingredients in the serum body lotion also complement the entire range. It's packed with emollients, it's packed with humectants, it's packed with clarifying and brightening agents. All in all, starting this range from a face wash right down to your body, you're taken care of from head to toe, literally. If you would like to try this range, you can use my code Rumina15 and get 15% off. I don't get a commission on the sale. That 15% is really for you to enjoy and get a good bargain. Who doesn't like a good bargain? For more, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.